Hey everyone, you're sitting at home, scrolling through your phone, and you come across a video titled, "Can I use Newton as a wallet?" Intrigued, you click play. Hook. Hey there. Have you ever wondered if you could use Newton as a wallet? I know, it might seem like a strange question, but trust me, it's a valid one. Newton is a popular crypto investment app, but can it double as a place to store your digital assets? Let's dive in and find out. Building context. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what Newton is. It's essentially a platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. But can it also serve as a secure and convenient place to store your digital coins? Newton as a wallet, a deep dive. To answer this question, we need to understand what a wallet actually is. In the crypto world, a wallet is like a digital bank account. It stores your private keys, which are essential for accessing and managing your cryptocurrencies. So, can Newton act as a wallet? Well, technically, yes. When you buy crypto on Newton, it's stored in a custodial wallet. This means that Newton has control over your private keys. While this might seem counterintuitive, it also offers certain benefits. Benefits of custodial wallets. Security. Custodial wallets are often more secure than self-custody wallets, as they have dedicated teams to protect against hacking and other threats. Convenience. You don't need to worry about managing your private keys, which can be complex and risky. Accessibility. You can access your funds from anywhere with an internet connection. Drawbacks of custodial wallets. However, there are also some drawbacks to using custodial wallets. Lack of control. You don't have complete control over your funds, as Newton has access to your private keys. Potential for loss. If Newton were to experience a significant security breach or financial difficulties, you could lose your funds. Limited functionality. Custodial wallets often have limited functionality compared to self-custody wallets. Self-custody wallets, an alternative. If you're looking for more control over your cryptocurrencies, you might want to consider using a self-custody wallet. These wallets allow you to store your private keys on a device of your choosing, giving you complete control over your funds. However, self-custody wallets also come with their own risks. If you lose your private keys or your device is compromised, you could lose your funds forever. Choosing the right wallet. The best wallet for you will depend on your individual needs and risk tolerance. If you're new to crypto or prefer a more hands-off approach, a custodial wallet like Newton might be a good option. However, if you're more experienced and value control and privacy, a self-custody wallet might be a better choice. Additional considerations. When choosing a wallet, it's also important to consider factors such as supported cryptocurrencies. Make sure the wallet supports the coins you want to store. Fees. Some wallets charge fees for transactions or storage. User experience. The wallet should be easy to use and navigate. Conclusion. So, can you use Newton as a wallet? Yes, you can. However, it's important to understand the risks and benefits of using custodial wallets. If you're looking for more control over your cryptocurrencies, you might want to consider using a self-custody wallet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.